If you want to see the encodings of the final exams, go to the advanced mode, and you can go to your selected grades, for example 4 or 5 lotus, for example, and most probably you'll see just the average, computer grade, and final grade, and select the math or science or English, let's say math. And if you cannot see the final grades, this part, for example, for primary science, so it's possible that average comes to final grade only here. Go to show and assignments of other teachers. So I click here and you will see all of them, all the assignments, and go to the right and see that midterm exam or final exam is encoded here. You can see all the results here. Okay, teacher primary science from 5 lotus finished here. The final exams encodings done. You can go another one, 8A. After that, go to the subject, let's say secondary English. Go to the right. Okay, now final exam. And final exam, here you see that final exam listening, reading, and final exam, the average of the final exam. Is also you can check whether you have other parts also, reading, listening only, or also maybe, I don't know, speaking, or another part, maybe writing. So you can see everything here, and you can remind teachers to encode all of them if they couldn't finish that. So for example, yeah, for the question, for example, Fern failed if you see the average, but if you see the average, the total one, you can see that she passed. And after that, who passed or not, who failed or not, you can check by clicking the total grade part in the terms section. So I go to the total grade. Now you can see all the picture, the average of all the grades, both for the first half year, second half year, and computed total grade and computer average grade, all of them here. So we don't have any U grades for the computer grades. We don't have any unsatisfied students. So all of them passed. Good. Thank you.